Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial I am going to teach you all about forum submission backlinks. So which means in this tutorial you are going to know or learn what are forum submission backlinks, how you can get those backlinks, and what is the benefit of this kind of backlinks, and can you really boost your website SEO or organic traffic by acquiring or getting some kind of forum submission backlinks. So before we get started, I highly request you to please make sure for every new tutorial on this channel. Anyway, so now let's get started with the introduction to the forum submission backlinks without further ado. So what are forum submission backlinks? Basically, forum submission backlinks are links to your website placed on online forums. You know, there are lots of forums online, right? Regarding everything, regarding web development, regarding digital marketing, regarding content writing, app development, and each and everything they in some form you will find an online community, right? You know, which is gathered on a specific topic, right? Now, where you can find these backlinks, or how do people get these kind of backlinks? Well, these backlinks may find in user profiles. So for example, when you go to an online community or forum, you create a profile, and in the profile description or the bio, there will be a section where you can add your website URL. Second, you can get, or you may find, these backlinks in signatures. Some forums let you include a link in your signature displayed below each post. Third, the most popular one, these backlinks can be found in post, right? So when you go to online communities and you post on a specific topic and you add a relevant link in that post, right? So this is all about forum submission, and it is that simple, right? It is not a rocket science, or it is not something paid, right? Which you do in guest posting, or you know, other kind of tactics of getting backlinks. This is a super easy tactic in the off-page SEO, which you can use to really boost the off-page SEO or the SEO performance of your website, right? Now, the next question you may have your mind on is that whether these backlinks work or not. Well, honestly, I really tested it myself on a website. So I built lots of backlinks to this website. There were not lots of backlinks, only I got 50 forum backlinks to this website, and as you can see, these are the results. You can see there is an increment in the impression, there is an improvement in the average position and the click-through rate, but the click-through rate has reduced, but this is not assigned directly because this was a whole new site. Okay, so I started building some forum submission backlinks, but the overall result is this, you can see, right? So again, while not as highly videoed by search engines as they once were, forum submissions can still offer some benefits, right? These are 5 benefits which forum submission backlinks still offer. The first one is increased website traffic, right? How? Because active forums participation can attract visitors interested in your niche. When you go to an online community, right, and when you actively participate in discussions, you offer suggestions, ideas, answer to specific questions, and you build yourself on that platform, then there is a big chance, you know, people may visit your website or blog or whatever, what kind of the website you have, right? So the second benefit is brand awareness. So again, if you're consistent, right? For example, with you, again, this is much like the first point, right? So if you are actively participating, in online communities activities, and you build relationships with other which we can see comets, right? This is really going to boost the brand awareness of your brand, whether it is a blog, it is a real brand, it is an e-commerce, whatever you have, you are gonna get a great brand awareness. Second, community building, right? This is the third benefit which you can get by doing forum submission backlinks for your website. Forum foster interaction and relationships with potential customers. Okay, so third one is targeted audience, right? Niche forums connect you with a specific audience relevant to your offerings. So for example, if you join an online community which is about mobile app development, and you offer some kind of mobile app development services, or you have an agency or whatever you have, which means you have a relevant niche, and when you start doing posting in that community, you build relationships, you are going to get a super targeted audience for your brand or business. And the fifth one, which is something we are all looking for, is the potential SEO boost. Though less impactful than before, quality backlinks can still contribute to search rankings. Now, this is a point which I personally tested, right? So like I show you an image, right? This one. Sorry, I just forget about this, to remove this image. I'm again going to go through walk you through all these benefits which you can get by actively participating in forum submission backlinks, right? So basically, when you go to an online community and you create a profile and you or an active user on that community, just like on Facebook. So if you're active on your Facebook, you are going to get more friends, you are going to get more likes and shares and comments. The same goes for forums, right? These are online communities. So these are the 5 benefits which you can get, right? The first one is increased website traffic. We have already discussed this. Okay, now when you actively participate in the communities, you're going to get you are going to get direct traffic to your website. Second point, you're going to get some kind of brand awareness. So consistent engagement builds familiarity with your brand and expertise. Third, community building. Again, you're going to build a community just like on Facebook, because if you're an active user on that community, you're going to get an active community, right? That is definitely going to give you some kind of benefits in kind of doing business, right? So the fourth point is you get a super targeted audience. Again, it's like I said, if you join an online community which is about mobile app developments and you offer services regarding mobile app developments, or you have an agency, you have some kind of that business related to the mobile app development, you are going to get great targeted audience, which means you are going to get more business. The fifth one is the potential SEO boost. Again, this is something which we are all looking for in this tutorial, and basically I tested this point myself, right? I just showed you an image earlier that you just compare those results. Now these are the backlinks which I built, right? So for example, these are the communities. These are 50 communities, online communities, where I went and got a backlink for my website. These are my anchor text, these are the DA, the spam score, the no follow and do follow status, and the status of the backlink, right? So for example, somewhere I participated in discussion, somewhere I did comment, okay, someone I started a new thread, and so on. So for example, if I open one of this link, you can see what kind of the link I got. Now these links are not permanently active. Sometimes posts get deleted by these forum owners, sometimes they are active, but again, this is something which you can use in your own benefit. So for example, I did this post, right? So this is my anchor text and this is my link. Okay, now let me just open another one as well. So for example, this is forum. First, you need to try to find out the forums that are super relevant to your niche. That's great. But if you're not able to find that one, then you can join any online community in order to get backlinks. Okay, so again, this is my post which I done, and this is my anchor text, and this is a backlink as well. If I open this, it is going to take you to my website. Okay, so this is how a forum backlink will actually look like. Let me just open one more so that you can get an idea. Okay, now the next question is how you can find out forums related to your niche, right? For this, you can take support of AI chatbots like Googlebot, ChatGPT, or you can search in Google randomly. So for example, free forums related to mobile apps. Okay, you can see it says find a forum 2023's 50 best discussion boards in the mobile apps niche. Okay, so if you are able to get 50 backlinks, which means 50 referring domains to your website, that's more than enough on a monthly basis. Okay, so if you are not able to find out related forums directly by searching in Google, you can simply ask ChatGPT or Googlebot, right? And simply just tell this tool to give me I'm a mobile app developer, and how can I find online communities related to my niche. That's it. That's very simple. Okay, so you just don't have to worry about that. The point here is that you just get started today, right? So like I said, if you are able to get 50 referring domains on a monthly basis for your website, that's more than enough. And yes, they work. They're really going to give you benefit, SEO benefit, especially like I showed you. This is the benefit I got, right? So as you can see, there is a huge increment in impressions in average position, because I didn't get any kind of backlink, which you may say guest post or paid backlink, right? This is all the free things which I've done, and I really boost the SEO benefit for my own website. So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial as soon as I upload new tutorials on this channels. I've really have been away from my channel because I was super busy in my clients projects, my agency work, so I really was not able to get time and to build some more content for you. But don't worry, I'm here again now and will be providing you super content which you like, which will you benefit from. So thanks for watching.